What's up, Fun Squad? Guess what? Today we're kayaking the Kahana Valley, and I want you to comment down below and tell me who did the best trick on the rope swing. And tell me who caught the baby chick in the wild, who dug a hole to China, and tell me who caught the best surf. Let's head to the Kahana Valley.
All right, got some paddle boards, got some kayaks, got some water, got some kahana. Gonna get in, it's gonna be cool.
I can't twist this
Got
around.
some life jackets.
I need you to twist this around. Apparently, if you kayak 5 seconds per hour, you will win a race.
Hey.
According to Uncle
Hello.
Iron, the rope swing is a 10-minute paddle up, which for our group is probably 20 minutes. So anyway, there's going to be some fun places to explore, and we're going to watch the time. Now go.
Uh-oh. What-uh-uh-oh.
Good, now be big about it.
What-uh-uh-uh-oh. No, don't! No! You're gonna bump into Daddy's arm.
Dad, I'm going to bump into you. Push me backwards.
All right, put it up there. Just don't let it get wrapped around your arm, okay?
That is awesome!
Okay, got it. Go. Let's go, Leah. Let's go.
When can I see you again? When can I see you again? Whoa, when can I do it again?
When can I see you again? And go.
When can I see you again? Whoa,
When can I see you
again?
When can I see you again? When can I see you again? Oh, I wanna know. No.
When can I see you again?
Oh, Tyler, is that your cute little baby friend? Oh, he's so cute.
Kaden found some brand new baby chicks.
Oh,
Now you gonna hold this one?
that's pretty neat.
Little baby.
Oh, look at his cute little wings.
And those tiny little wings.
Like, where's my mommy? Look at how smart you are, Mama Hen. Look at how smart you are. Okay, it's kind of loud because we got this guy over here, but show me what you found, Tyler. What'd you find? Look at that Mama being so diligent, waiting for her little baby to hatch. What a cute Mama. Good job, Mama. You're doing great. Look at all those eggs.
All right, Fun Squad, today is the day. Tyler is gonna learn how to surf. Here we go.
Tyler, is today the day?
Yeah.
What are you going to do today?
Sir,
What's on your chest?
a tattoo!
Youngest tattoo boy ever. All right, get on your board. Okay, Jazzy's gonna go too. Are you gonna go surfing, Jazz?
Yeah.
All right, let's
This
see
is a
it.
new board. I used to go to that one, so little transitions. Look at it.
She's gonna do this one. Kyler's gonna do that one. Oh, Kyler! Woo! All right, Kyler's gonna try to carry his surfboard. See how he does. Okay. All right, Kyler. Walk to the ocean, Kyler.
Walk to the ocean, Kyle.
Needs a little skills. All right, Kyler needs his life jacket. Not life jacket on.
Yeah, because when I'm both out like Jack and I recording, I could fall off and get lost.
Wilson! Well done! I'm sorry, Wilson!
This will help you stay floating, right?
Daddy, I'm ready.
Daddy, he's ready. And in the meantime, Kade is digging a hole to China.
It's so weird. I've never gotten a blister other than Ninja.
And
I got this from shoveling.
shoveling? Too much shoveling. Let's see how deep your hole is. Wow, you're getting there.
2 times that amount.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
That's my bunker. Dig me up.
There's Jack out there. Jack's paddling out. He's over that wave. Oh, go, Jack, go, go, go. Woo! Tyler, how old are you? 4 years old. All right, let's see it.
Oh, I'm 5 because 4 comes after 5.
Yep, no, 5 comes after 4.
No.
You'll be 5 soon enough, but right now you're 4. Let's see you surf. You gonna switch to boogie board?
That was a little bigger than we thought.
Let's do it again! Yay! What's up, baby?
The surfboard didn't work.
The surfboard didn't work. We're gonna try the boogie board now, right?
Yeah.
You're a pro.
Alright, Fun Squad, thank you so much for watching our video at the beach. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget, never go